I was sent this pocket knife storage device and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. I'll tell you right now, this thing's got really nice zippers on it, so if you're trying to open it, the zippers sometimes can be difficult. These are really nice. It's got a carry handle here on the top. You're going to need that if you load this fully because they get heavy. You've got dividers here, so you can put knives in 4 different panels. You've got one here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 panels total with dividers that keep them from scratching against each other, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and put some into this bottom layer here, show you what it looks like. So anything from large to small will work. Put this little tiny one up here in the corner. But you've got your mid-range ones you might use for an everyday carry. You can slide them in like that. Really nice. Some little longer ones here. Might get to the point of putting it underneath 3 of the tabs if it gets too long. But as you can see, you can fit all kinds of sizes in here. It's got a little bit of elastic on these, so it holds it in place, which is nice, and separates them and keeps it really looking well. So I really like these because now, as you've got it all loaded up with your knives, you can just flip through and see which ones you want to pull out for today, which one you're going to use, and there you go. So overall, a very nice case. I like the padding. I like the light interior so you can see all the knives that you've got loaded in here, and the zippers work great. This is going to be a really single one-stop shop. Put all your knives. Hey, I hope that helps. Have a great day.